I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode 99, and we're going to be talking about preparing your home for listing. We're closing in fast on episode 100. To celebrate, we're giving away a $100 Amazon gift card right here before Christmas. To win, all you need to be is a YouTube subscriber, like the Chris Whitehurst Real Estate Facebook page, and share one of the remaining 4 episodes. In a few weeks, we're going to be rolling into the 2023 spring market. With interest rates rising and uncertain economic times, we don't know what to expect, but it's important to control what we control if your home is going on the market. Get your home inspections and needed repairs scheduled now. You know I'm a huge proponent of pre-listing inspections. Inspectors and contractors are very busy people. Scheduling them early will pay off when we're ready to list. Go ahead and start the decluttering and deep cleaning process. You're moving. Let's start getting your stuff out of the home so buyers can hopefully see theirs inside of it. We want the home to have a feeling of space and openness. It's got to be moved eventually, so let's go ahead and get a jump start. Paint and staging is another good tip. Paint is the cheapest return on your investment when considering home repairs. A little paint and consideration of the staging could be just what your home needs to make a huge first impression when it hits the market. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, and I'm on popular social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.